Hello, welcome all to FNS Farmer World. So we are conducting the preparation for both SBI as well as VSSC examination, pharmacist examination. We are discussing different MCQ questions, MCQ competitive questions. So in part 3, we are going to discuss the next 20 questions. We can start. Before starting, if you find this as useful, please do subscribe the channel. Please do share the channel, share the videos, and please do comments. Please do express your comments and suggestions. So we can start. Question number 141. Neuroleptics are used to treat option A, neurosis, B, psychosis, C, narcolepsy, D, Parkinson's disorders. For what purpose neuroleptics are used to treat? The correct answer is option B, psychosis. For psychosis, neuroleptics are used. Next, question number 142. Parkinsonian symptoms and tardive dyskinesia are caused by blockage dopamine N. We know that Parkinsonism is caused as a result of deficiency of dopamine. In which pathway they are asking? Option A, the nigrostriatal system. B, the mesolimbic system. C, the mesofrontal system. D, the tuberoinfundibular system. The correct answer is nigrostriatal system. Deficiency of dopamine in nigrostriatal pathway. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 143. Which of the following antipsychotic drug is typical? In the following options, which drug is typical antipsychotic? Option A, clozapine, B, quetiapine, C, haloperidol, D, olanzapine. We know that haloperidol is a typical antipsychotic drug. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 144. Lithium carbonate is useful in the treatment of. In the following option, for which disease treatment lithium carbonate is used? Option A, petit mal seizures, B, bipolar disorder, C, neurosis, D, trigeminal neuralgia. We know that for bipolar disorder lithium carbonate is used. So option B is the correct answer. Number 145. Which of the following agent is related to tricyclic antidepressants? Option A, nefazodone, B, amitriptyline, C, fluoxetine, D, isocarbon oxide. So what is the correct answer? Tricyclic antidepressant is amitriptyline. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 146. The therapeutic response to antidepressant drug is usually over a period of. The time period for the therapeutic response of antidepressant drug. Option A, 2 to 3 days, B, 2 to 3 weeks, C, 24 hours, D, 2 to 3 months. The correct answer is option B, 2 to 3 weeks. So 147. Question number 147. Crack is a derivative of. Following options are A, opium, B, LSD, C, cocaine, D, cannabis. We know that crack is a conjugate based derivative of cocaine. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 148. Which of the following agent is related to hallucinogens? Option A, morphine, B, LSD, C, cocaine, D, opium. LSD is a strong hallucinogen. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 149. Which of the following agent is related to cannabis? In the following option, which agent is related to cannabis? Option A, heroin, B, ecstasy, C, hashish, D, crack. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, hashish. Hashish is related to cannabis. Question number 150. Indicate the anesthetic which is used intravenously. The anesthetic that is used IV. Option A, propofol, B, halothane, C, desflurane, D, nitrous oxide. Correct answer is option A, propofol. Besides propofol, ketamine, then etomidate, midazolam, etc. are used as IV anesthetics. Question number 151. Which of the following drug is proteolytic enzyme? In the following option, which drug is proteolytic enzyme? That is the enzyme that splits the protein. Option A, potassium iodide, B, desoxyribonuclease, C, carbocysteine, D, acetylcysteine. Desoxyribonuclease is a proteolytic enzyme. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 152. Indicate the drug belong to proton pump inhibitors, PPI. In the following option, there is a drug which is PPI. Option A, nasipine, B, ranitidine, C, omeprazole, D, trimethoprim. We know that omeprazole, pantoprazole, rabeprazole, etc. are proton pump inhibitors. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Number 153, indicate the drug that causes metabolic alkalosis. The following option, which drug causes metabolic alkalosis? Option A, sodium bicarbonate, B, cimetidine, C, Pepto-Bismol, D, carbenoxolone. The correct answer is option A. That is, when the sodium bicarbonate is administered in amounts that exceeds the capacity of kidneys to excrete the excess bicarbonate, it will cause metabolic alkalosis. Option A is the correct answer. Number 154, the mechanism of stimulant purgatives is. The mechanism behind stimulant purgative. We know that the purgatives can be divided into different types, and among that the stimulant purgatives means they are diphenyl methanes, which include bisacodyl phenolphthalein, then androquinone, which includes senna cascara, then 5-HT4 agonist, which includes procalopride, fixed oil castor oil. These are the examples of stimulant purgatives. Stimulant purgatives are also of two types: osmotic, which increases the water content. So if the question is the mechanism of osmotic purgatives, we can say that option D is the correct answer, increasing the water content. Then if the question is increasing the stool mass, increase the volume of non-absorbed solid residue, that is bulk purgative. So the mechanism of stimulant bulk purgative is increasing the volume of non-absorbable solid residue. Or if the question is osmotic type stimulant purgative, then we can say option D is the correct answer, increasing the water content. Next question, number 155, indicate the drug which increases absorption of iron from intestine. From the following options, which drug increases the iron from intestine? Option A, cyanocobalamin, B, folic acid, C, ascorbic acid, D, erythropoietin. Option C, ascorbic acid is the correct answer. Question number 156, an adverse effect of oral iron therapy is. The following option, which one of the following is the adverse effect of oral iron therapy? Option A, anemia, B, thrombocytopenia, C, headache, D, constipation. Option D, constipation is the main adverse effect of oral iron therapy. Number 157, pernicious anemia is developed due to deficiency of. Option A, erythropoietin, B, vitamin B12, C, iron, D, vitamin B6. Pernicious anemia, it is developed as a result of deficiency of vitamin B12. Option B is the correct answer for question number 157. Number 158, pick out the drug belong to anticoagulants of direct action. Option A, aspirin, B, heparin, C, dicumarol, D, fenprocomen. Actually, these all drugs are indirect in action. The direct action anticoagulants, they includes dabigatran, rivavosaban, then betrisaban, abixaban, etc. These are the drugs that has direct action. So here everything it is indirectly acting only. So question number 158 answer will be dabigatran, rivavosaban, betrisaban, abixaban, etc. Number 159, which of the following drugs belongs to coumarin derivative? In the following option, which drug is coumarin derivative? Option A, clopidogrel, B, enoxaparin, C, dalteparin, D, warfarin. We know that warfarin is a coumarin derivative, so it is an anticoagulant and it is a coumarin derivative. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 160, which drug is selective beta-1 agonist? In the following options, which drug is selective beta-1 agonist? Option A, digoxin, B, dobutamine, C, amrinone, D, dopamine. Option B, dobutamine is the correct answer for question number 160. Selective beta-1 agonist is dobutamine. Next 20 questions will be discussed on next part. So for more questions, more MCQs for competitive examinations, different competitive examinations, please do subscribe the channel and please express your valuable suggestions and comments. Then please share the videos with your pharmacist friends. Please like and please comment. Thank you so much for all the support.